Ladies, did you hear that sound? I'm about to show you and anyone else that doesn't know how to change the fire alarm battery when it's making that beep sound, because that means the battery needs changing. So let's go. So you're meant to use a screwdriver, but I can't find it, so I'm going to use this to open it. So yeah, as I said, I'm going to use this to pop it open. So let's see how it works. So you see, this is the groove. So slot in the scissors and push it hard and it should pop open. Whoop. Well, it popped open alright. I didn't expect it to drop down like that, but my bad. Hopefully I ain't mashed it up, but at least it's off. So here it is, the old battery. So I'm gonna remove it. There you go. Just went and got a new one. So I'm gonna insert the new battery. So yeah, and there it is, fresh new battery. So now to put it back on. Ready? Oh, sorted, mate. I done it. Why is it still making that sound? It was not meant to be making that sound still. Oh, actually, I need to restart it, don't I? Okay, hang on. So I think I need to press this to just restart it. And that should mean that that sound should have cleared now. So that was my how to change the battery in a fire alarm if there's no man to do it for you. Even though, you know what I mean, what can I say, I'm just independent like that. And yeah, you just gotta do it yourself, ladies, sometimes. So chat back in the comment section below if you're watching on my YouTube channel, and let me know if that was helpful or if you usually get a man to do it, or a maintenance man. But hey, thank you for watching and have a lovely day.